Carlos, he's as athletic as any tight end in the league, and he's showing it over 100 yards receiving today as Daniel Jones is down at the Bengal 21 in the arms of Von Bell. And it has not been an easy go for this Bengals defense against tight ends this season. Only the Bills and Falcons allow more yardage per game to tight ends coming in. Well, they've allowed 132 yards early in the third quarter to the Giants tight end.
Well, and rarely, and he's doing it on this play, does Evan Ingram line up as a true tight end. I mean, you treat him as like a slot or third receiver.
2nd and 3. Gallman fought from behind. Good tackle by Bledsoe. Now it's 3rd down and 2. And Daniel Jones on that last run may have tweaked the leg or an ankle, limping just a little bit. Watch him here.
It's about taking hits. Now I don't know what that is, but he's a tough kid. He'll figure it out, play through it.
Almost like he's grabbing a hamstring. 3rd and 2 at the 20. That's Ingram in motion. Jones looking, has time, throws, awkward throw, but Gallman wins the catch, and that's a 1st down.
So he's hurt. I know he's hurt because he didn't take it and run. And you can see him limping, and now he's going down. And I think you're right, Kevin. He's grabbing the back of his hamstring. There was a reason why he didn't run for that 1st down. And he made a nice throw to Gallman. Sticks moving. Could it be Colt McCoy? Bring him on, Colt.